What's up, everybody? This is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and today we're going to look at the ClickUp API endpoint for roles. It's a single endpoint, very straightforward, but it sort of goes in line with all the other ClickUp API series videos that I've done for this playlist. So check those out if you need a better understanding of the ClickUp API. This is in the video, not going to return anything because I don't have custom roles set up, but this would enable you to be able to hook into other systems for roles like Azure or anything else where you wanted to sync up your ClickUp roles with another permissioning system. So this would be helpful for an overview of that information. So like and subscribe so that you'll get notifications of more videos, especially in this series, as I'm covering every API endpoint from ClickUp. And let's dive into the information. We have our ClickUp API documentation open, and we'll just go through here because we're not going to illustrate in Postman how this works because I don't have this set up once again. But you're going to basically, when you make your API call for roles endpoint, you're going to return some information, and it's going to be everybody for a particular role. And so it'll give you the member, you get the list ID, and it'll just return that information. So let's go into ClickUp, and we'll paste this API call in there. Again, you could check out, I've said it in other videos, but you can check out the Postman Collection, which the link will be in the description below, and you can import it into Postman, and you have all the API calls already set up for you. So we're going to go into roles, and then members, true, custom roles. Let's check this out. Okay, so we're going to get our team ID, which can be done in our ClickUp web app. And so you have your team ID right here. Always, it's going to be a second parameter in the URL. I'm going to paste it in here. You would have a team ID parameter in here. And then it's going to return back custom roles, and it's going to not have anything in here. So other than that, it will give you an array of who has a custom role, what the custom role is, so that you could sync this up with other systems and sort of have an overview of that from the back end. So hope this video was helpful. Check out the other videos. Reach out to me if you need some help with development, and we'll talk to you later.